Hello, so welcome to this video. Today we are going to be recreating the famous Julia Fox makeup, the eye makeup especially, and I think it's going to be so much fun because she has like really crazy eye makeup, if you know. I'm gonna show you some pictures here. Let's recreate the look because I'm really excited about it. I think her makeup is really cool. I think it's pretty iconic and really broke the makeup world with these like crazy eyes. And also the idea of a perfect makeup. She just like completely broke that and she made a new thing, I think. So let's try and recreate it. I also have my ears pierced. I think that's like a cool new thing. The first thing that I'm going to be using is the base. As per usual, I am using this Trended Up Expert Makeup Perfection base. I use this a lot. I also am like on a new medicine with my acne. So I'm trying to like get away of it, you know, like I'm trying to clear my skin and stuff. So yeah, I'm taking special care of it. I went to my dermatologist and she gave me some like pills on it, so hopefully it's going to work. I'm gonna just go with my concealer. I have this one, Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer by NYX. And I'm gonna put that on my acne and let it be there for some time, because when you like put concealer somewhere and leave it there for some time, it's going to have like higher coverage and it's going to like thicken up. So it's like a trick that I'm going to be doing today. Yeah, so like on my spots and just like where I don't want to have visible acne at all. This has actually really nice coverage. I didn't expect that because like I bought it kind of spontaneously and I didn't like search up many things about it, and this like shocked me, and it has very nice coverage. So yeah, that's like cool. I'm gonna blend the under eyes with my fingers. That also gives you higher coverage and it looks like more natural also. You don't really need to cover this up because it's going to be really intense at the end, and you're probably not going to see that much over your eye anyway, so it's not that important. I have dark circles, so that's why I'm like covering it up. I think it looks really nice. I think this concealer is really nice and I recommend it. It's not even like expensive, it's just like so nice. So that's that. I'm gonna play with this kind of like with foundation, so I'm gonna blend it out really like naturally, but also like cover up what I need to cover up, you know. And I'm also doing it with my fingers. Also, thank you so much for the people that are commenting on my videos and also liking the videos and watching them, of course. It just means a lot, especially comments that I know like real people are watching it. It's just cool. And I'm sorry that I didn't upload the last Sunday, because I usually upload on Sundays, right? And I somehow didn't this week. So I'm sorry about that. The last week. So I'm sorry about that a lot, because I just had a lot going on in my life and I just needed to like get on track with it, you know. This is the base that we have. I'm gonna contour my face because other than that I don't see much blush or anything. I have this contour stick by NYX. It's highlight and contour stick, and I'm going to put it here, but up more like here, you know, it's like a lot, but like I think it's going to work. So, and I'm gonna also contour my nose as I do normally. I'm sorry if you can hear the constructions that are happening right now. They're really loud, and I try to like close the window and do this everything for you not to be able to hear, but I think you can still, so I'm sorry about that. This is what we have, and let's get to, I guess, the eye makeup. First I would like map out where we are going to put the eyeshadow, because the eyeshadow is going to be like the filling of our art on the eyes. I'm using the NYX Jumbo eye pencil. Just like here, she goes into the eyebrow. Like this under her eye. And then she has like a whole line. Here, but like better. And I'm enjoying the process. Like here too. And then she goes like thing here. Yeah, and she's like this. Yeah. I mean, I think it kind of looks like hers, but like not filled in. Yeah. So I guess this is the sketch kind of, and now I'm going to like fill it in. So I like this. I don't know, it's just like the process is really fun, and like it actually kind of looks like hers, you know. And she doesn't have like a specific shape, she always like changes it, so if we are gonna mess the shape up, it's like okay, because she like messes it, she doesn't mess it up, she has it different each time. This is crazy, but yeah, I think we have this, and now I'm going to grab the eyeshadow and make it more sharp. This is very like abstract, I feel like. I love this. This is cool. Well, it's not symmetrical. That's what I'm gonna say. Well, it's fine. I think this looks better. I don't know, it's not symmetrical. I tried, okay? I guess this is it. I'm gonna spray it with the setting spray, because I think this is like really likely to break away when you touch it and stuff. And I'm going to also fill in the waterline. So let's go for the mascara. Look at this. I was just like moving around and now this happens. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I'm so sorry. But like, it's just so annoying. Like, I mean, I could have worked with like a better product than like eyeliner. Let's go with the mascara. I have this one. You can really see it, but it's better than nothing, you know? And I'm gonna add lipstick. And I'm gonna go with this one. It's the Revolution Makeup Revolution London X Petra. It's this like Czech collab. I don't know. I love this shade though. That's why I use it. And she always seems to have like nude lipstick, and I think it's like pinky, but it's fine. It's like nude. And now I'm going to add some highlighter because this is like the last step. And yeah, I will add highlighter like this. Anyway, I'm Julia Fox right now. Do what you want with it. I feel like her. I don't care. Yeah. And I feel very powerful, but I just feel like her. I don't know. I'm like, you know, I'm feeling myself in this. Should I start doing this every day? Because I feel like Batman and Julia Fox at the same time. Yeah. Woo! Yes, this is awesome. I enjoyed this look a lot. It was so much fun. I just felt really powerful and creative. I don't know. She is a queen apparently. If she made this out of her head, that's cool. I felt really powerful by doing this, and so I don't know how she feels. Honestly, it's like dangerous to me because I feel very powerful. And if she feels powerful like this and more every day, or like when she has this makeup on, good for her, honestly. Wow. Anyway, thank you for watching. This was fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will maybe recreate it. Go ahead, you know, recreate this. I mean, recreate her look by this tutorial maybe. And yeah, I hope you will feel the power too, because I feel it so much. Like, oof, I could train so many people right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you like me and my content. Thank you so much if you do. Comment down below what do you think about her and her looks, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one, I hope. Bye bye. Bye.